Kay from kaynijo.com, and today we will be going through how to set up and log in to our Cashflow 101 Classic game on richdad.com. First, we open up a browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and we type in richdad.com. Wait for it to load, and when it does, we scroll to the section that says Play Cashflow Classic here. So we click there. To the right, you will see where it says Sign up today for free. You enter your first name, you enter the email address that you want to sign up with, and you enter the text you see here to the right. In this case, it's 395298. You click the checkbox to say you agree to the terms and conditions, and of course you can click here to see what the terms and conditions are, and then you click sign me up. This will send an email to your email address that you signed up with a link that you need to click on to confirm that you really want to subscribe.